Dragon Write is extremely easy to use, which makes it very appropriate for kindergarten through 12th grade users. I would personally suggest more of a first grade up approach because in kindergarten they're still learning a lot of basics, so students aren't needing to write extremely long sentences or paragraphs. This is an extremely helpful device for a student that who is dyslexic. It enables them to be able to turn in the same exact work that their peers are turning in. I like that with Dragon Write, they are still having to use punctuation and be able to start and stop their sentences. If they want an exclamation point, they have to say an exclamation point. So they're still having to write. It just eliminates them having to focus so much on spelling things and getting things written out. They are just able to talk and to get their thoughts out. I like that Dragon Write can also be used to copy. I have students that will talk into the program and then they will copy the program onto a piece of paper. That is extremely beneficial for a lot of students who struggle with different concepts and don't understand how to spell something or don't even know where to start and get it on the paper. They're able to just talk and then they're able to copy and put it on paper.